No, Olaf fell over. But look at all the surprise toys that fell out of him. Hurry, Olaf, get your toys back. Looks like he got all of his toys back, but I was wondering if you guys wanted to know what toys the giant Olaf basket was hiding. I think we should find out. Alright, so the first thing I think I noticed was the Despicable Me band. So we have a little Stuart on here. Let's go ahead and open that up. There we go. And who do we have next? Looks like we have a Hello Kitty toy. Some minifigure collectibles. Let's see which one we got. Oh, I got this one in a previous video. I thought it was a princess, or maybe Hello Kitty going to like a party or something. She had this cute little crown on. So you guys won't believe what I just found. Hello Kitty's twin. Alright, and what do we have next? A Jake and the Neverland Pirates chocolate egg. Ooh, that's some really good chocolate there. All right, who do we get? Oh, come on. Look, looks like we got a cubby. You can see his bangs are sticking out. Hey, that's how my hair is. My bangs stick out too. He's got on his pirate bandana.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Hi Olaf, I'm Seth, and I like Shopkins. Alright guys, I haven't opened many of the Shopkins Season 2, so this is gonna be pretty new for me. Oh, looks like we got, what's her name? I think it's Toasty Pop, maybe? Alright, and who else did we get? Whoa, I don't remember seeing this one before. Let's look her up. Okay, so looky here. I have Chloe Flower, and right below her, Toasty Pop. So I was lucky on that one. That's Chloe Flower. Alrighty, Olaf, what else you got? This is gonna be a Legend of Zelda Phantom Hourglass toy. Looks like we got another Tetra figure, and she's got a heart piece with her. Here's a closer look at our Tetra. Tetra is secretly Princess Zelda. Do you still have a lot of toys left in you, Olaf? Alright, let's keep going then. There's a Despicable Me egg. Looks like Dave on front. Ooh, his chocolate's getting a little warm. Excuse me, little Hello Kitties. My name is Gru, and I am evil genius. Have you seen 3 little girls around here? Oh, alright then. I will keep looking elsewhere. You just keep dancing. Alright, Olaf. You're not supposed to dance, just Hello Kitty. You're not supposed to dance. Alright, let's see what you got. A Super Mario Connects toy, cool. I haven't opened one of these before, must be new. Looks like we got a Bob-omb. There we go, there's our Bob-omb. He can walk. And you can twist his little lever on the back. That's a really cool toy. And he has 3 holes on the bottom of his feet, so maybe that fits onto something. Despicable Me 2 Minion Surprise. This is another thing I have never opened before. Looks like we got a evil minion. Oh my goodness. Look at his face.
Skibbity skabbada dooba. Biggada toogada mooka. Wah.
And there's a little stand for him. This is a really greatly detailed toy. It's got all his little teeth. His mouth is sticking out. Look at his goggles. Next up. Whoa, there's something big in here. I'm trying to get this. Oh. It's a big Hero 6 Vinylmation. Alright, let's see if I get someone new. Gonna hope it's a Wasabi. Look at that! Cool, it's a Go-Go. She is also one of my favorite characters because she's really fast. Her little arms can move up and down. She's got the see-through blue ears. And there's her name on the bottom. Go-Go Tamago. Now, if only I could get a Fred. Someday I'll get a Fred. Alright. Looks like another Despicable Me egg. My hands are gonna be covered in chocolate. And it looks like I got another Gru. Hello there, handsome man with pink Playdough hair. Do you know where my shrink ray is? I'm afraid I do not know where your shrink ray is. Oh, well, your hair is very nice. I am jealous. I'm going to go look for my shrink ray now. Alright then. Alrighty. Looks like another Jake and the Neverland Pirates egg. We got a lot of chocolate eggs this round. Whoa. Alright, I'm hoping we get the crocodile, because he's one of my favorite characters. Oh my gosh, look! Tick-tock, tick-tock. I got Tick-tock the Croc. His name is Tick-tock because he took Captain Hook's hand and a clock that he was holding in his hand. That's why Captain Hook has a hook now. Yes, hello Tick-tock the Croc. I'm looking for Captain Hook. Do you know where I can find him? Alright, I guess I'll find him somewhere else. Thank you, Tick-tock. Geez, what is with everyone in the crazy pink Play-Doh hair today? Maybe I need to get pink Play-Doh hair. I think Olaf still has a few things inside of him. Let's see. Another Minion toy. Alright, let's see what's inside this Despicable Me blind bag. Look who we got! We got a little Agnes, and she is super adorable. Plus she has a little stand that comes with her. Alright everyone, I got the new pink hair. Oh, what? Everybody went with blue hair? Even you too, handsome guy? Oh, well, it goes to show that sometimes you shouldn't follow what everybody else is doing. Okay, let's see. We got a Zelda Phantom Hourglass capsule. Looks like we got a Big Goron and a Gon Goron. Here's a closer look at our Big Goron and the little Gon Goron. He's super cute. Alright, let's see what's next. A frozen dog tag. Sweet. I've been waiting to get another one of these. I got a marshmallow one once and it was like really detailed and super cool looking. Would not mind getting that again. So here's a Frozen sticker, snowflake, and it also says cold heart. Oh, pretty. We got an Elsa. There she is. Be sure to leave me a comment and tell me who your favorite Frozen character is. It's really hard to choose between Olaf and Elsa. Okay, Olaf, are we getting close to the end? Alright. Yep, I can feel it, just a few left. Looks like we have another Shopkins. Oh look, we got an ice cream one. Let's see who that is. This is gonna be a banana splitty. She's super cute. She even has a little cherry on top. Let's see who we got next. Ooh. I almost want to say that's cheesy cakey. Let's look her up too. Pecana pie. Right? Yeah, pecana pie. Yum yum yum. Alright guys, I can feel 3 items left. Here's another Despicable Me egg. Oh, we got a Kevin! Yes, my favorite. There goes his little stand. So here's a closer look at Kevin. Alright, awesome. Okay, Olaf, 2 items left. Another Super Mario pack. And we got another Bob-omb. So now we have another Bob-omb to keep our first Bob-omb company. Alright, Olaf, one last surprise toy. Are you excited? Let's see. Gonna finish it off with a Hello Kitty surprise collectible. And who's it gonna be? Pajama Hello Kitty! I've never seen one of these before. She's got a little teddy bear. Now that is super adorable. And here's a closer look at some of the toys we got out of the giant Olaf basket. Okay guys, that's it for the giant Olaf surprise basket. If you want to see more surprise toy videos, make sure you click on the like button, because if I get 1,000 likes, then we'll get Amy Jo to open up this monster high locker filled with toys. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. This is DCTC, and thanks for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Dough too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.